Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide caller ID on Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your keypad and dial here *31#. Here you can see outgoing caller ID. Service was enabled. Press on OK. Now if you want to reverse this process, then press on your keypad *31#. Now press on OK. So this is how you can hide caller ID on Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.